Wavy Spice here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a brand new video. It's going to be a look on this Pride makeup, which I'm super excited about. It is Pride month, and even though this month has been kind of tough for me, I feel like I wouldn't be doing the month right if I didn't do a video for Pride, since we get so many of the makeup trends and everything that we use today from drag and queens. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how I did this makeup. Before we get too deep in the video, definitely want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Definitely want to say welcome to WavySpiceTV. I make content here about fashion, lifestyle, and beauty, and I really make videos for the person that does not fit into your regular beauty standards. You might be a woman of color, you might be a dark skinned woman, or you might be plus size. Either way, you don't fit into the mold, but you also don't give a fuck. So that's who I make my content for. You guys should join the Spice gang and become a Spice girl. We have so much fun over here. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'll have all that good stuff linked below. But if you guys want to see how I got this poppin' makeup look, then just continue watching. Bye. What's good, guys? Wavy Spice here. Yeah, so I am doing a Pride makeup look today. I already did my eyebrows. I'm gonna try to show you guys, but I'm really focused on making TikTok content, honestly. I'm gonna go into my eyes, and I'm going to start off with just doing white as my base. Okay, and I'm also gonna just place a little bit more on the crease, because this is where we really want the color to pop at, in the crease specifically. So I'll make sure that's nice and white. All right, so I'm gonna set this. I'm just using this Kat Von D translucent powder. And this is just gonna prevent any type of creasing, and it just makes the canvas more smooth, in my opinion, for when we start laying down color. Favorite brushes for placing eyeshadow, which is Real Techniques base shadow brush. And it's really awesome for packing on color. I'm just gonna get my crease down. I'm just gonna match everything that I have going on with the brows. So we're going yellow, orange, pink, green, blue, purple. I'm using the James Charles palette for this. This is very good colors to be using when it comes to bright colors. I'll bring you guys in. Okay, yes, just make sure you stay in the frame, bitch. And we're gonna start off with yellow. And I'm just packing the color first. So, just packing. We'll focus on blending later. And I'm gonna start placing that right where we place the, right on top of the end of where we place the yellow. And this is really washing out on camera, which is unfortunate. But it came out really, it looks pretty close to the color on my phone, which is good. Okay. And then we're gonna pop in the pink. And you see we got a lot of fallout, so this is why I did not do my foundation first. And focusing this on the outer corner. I love how I did my brows, because it really just opened up my eyes, which is nice. Okay, so that's the gist of that side. Oof, it's not really coming out the way that I wanted to on camera. Ooh. Now we're gonna go in with the other side, which we're starting off with green. Next, we're gonna go with the blue. blue, and then we're gonna hit it with the purple. So we got the crease on, and now I'm about to cut the crease. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I did. So I took like eyeliner remover and kind of like removed where I'm gonna be putting the white at, just so it doesn't cake up too bad. I'm gonna just go in and draw it with like a small pencil brush and my white concealer again. All right, so I drew on the white, and now I'm about to use the white in the James Charles palette to set that. Oh my god, I'm not doing anything in the frame. Okay, so yeah, I was totally out the frame when I did that. So now I'm just about to go in and do like cow print with a black eyeliner. Okay, so I've done one eye, and I'm gonna try to do the other one on camera. Oh, no, 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 no. See, I looked up and fucked up. Oh, Lordy, we're still working on it now. Okay, okay. Ooh, Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. Oh my god. I literally have creasing on this eye, which is like kind of effing me up. But yeah. And I'm just gonna blow this dry so that no more mess ups happen. So now I'm about to pop on my lashes. I'm using my Voguish Beauty Iconic lashes. I'm just gonna pop these on. We're gonna try to stay in the frame when we do this, but there are no promises. So we got one on. Oh yes, child. Oh yes, child. All right. So this is the lash. All right, so I'm going in with the Born This Way foundation, cause it's like the darker foundation shade that I have, and I just went to the beach yesterday. So I'm quite tan. I place my concealer on. I'm just gonna blend this out with the same brush that I blend out my foundation with. And this is like my new concealer technique. So instead of going all the way under the eye, you just kind of do part of the eye and blend it. It's supposed to like lift your face. Alrighty, so this looking recruit or whatever. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set this with my powder in medium deep, which is the Maybelline Fit Me powder that I always use. And I just wipe that powder straight off. And now I'm gonna go in and bronze. And I'm about to go in with my Black Radiance. And this Kat Von D brush is the bomb for some contour now. Here, and I'm gonna go around the forehead and blend that out really good as well. Okay, sis. Okay, sis. I'm gonna use a B blush, which is in the Saharan Volume 2 palette. And I forgot to contour my nose. I just realized that. And I love blushing my nose. That's my new thing right now. Contour color that I used earlier. And we're just going to put this on the nose. Let me fix the shape that the powder kind of messed up there. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with a nice highlight shade. We're gonna go in with Juvia's highlighter. Just looks like this. I'm just about to do one of my favorite nudes ever right now. So I start off with the brown liner. And then this color, Mad Innocence by Milani. I'm just gonna use one of my favorite glosses by ColourPop, Makeup Shayla Collection. Right in the middle. And this is almost the finished look. Here is the finished look, guys.